Now I have taken a pencil like something like more of a 4B, and right now I'm kind of darkening all those hair, because that will really help us in understanding the overall value system inside the hair. And you can see the moment I'll make it much darker, everything will start to look much lighter into the face, mostly the shadows, because I'm really darkening all these areas in the hair here, which is kind of really important, because right now I'm getting the correct sense of the value range, and once I'm darkening these hair pieces, first use the pencil like maybe 4B, and then use the tortillon to really make it a kind of an even hair structure, because as you can see that you have a lot of darker patches here and there, but eventually we need to have the softer transition inside the darkest part of the hair also, and that's kind of really important. Also, I'm always thinking about the volume into the hair. How can I get that volume of light and darks and still maintain the sense of the kind of the subtle variation happening inside the lights, and that's kind of really important here. Using my pencil in such a way that I maintain the sense of the quality, the sense of the depth drawing, and darkening some of the areas here and there, and then finding my way through that, trying to create the texture of the hair which is really hitting, the lights are hitting there. First you need to darken the values, and then you can work the lights on top of that. Don't do the otherwise that you have taken the light and then you work on top of the dark, because the light is not like pure white, because you can see that the light on the hair is much darker than the light on the face, So that is how you judge the value also, because you see in the photo it's looking too light, and you will try to make that values too light as the light on the face. That will not work, because anything lighter on the darker object, it not more than error number 5 or 6. Continue more about this in the next video.